Today, we're presenting the installation of the NeoBiP device. The installation is pretty easy. You only need to connect the power to the device and the tubing to the air outlet and the mask. Let's see more details. Find the clip button at the back of the humidifier to connect it with the main device. The clip button is used for attaching and detaching the humidifier. Insert the air filter into the main device. Hold the press button to release the water tank. Fill in the water through the inlet to the maximum level. Make sure to only use distilled water or purified water for your own health. Make sure to dry the shell of the tank before inserting. Then hold the press button to reinstall the water tank. Connect the tubing to the air outlet. Now you may start to use the NeoBiP. There are 3 ways to start ventilation. You may either click the start button on the touchscreen device, or click on the navigator knob. The third alternative is to set the device to auto on. Put on your mask and breathe 3 times. The device will automatically start to work. Thank you for watching.